Hello guys, digital marketing and affiliate marketing. Digital marketing is a broad term that include advertising, promoting and strengthening the online persons of business through digital platforms. Some of the digital that fall under the umbrella of digital marketing or digital marketing, advertising, email marketing, content marketing, pay per click, online brochure and more. Unlike other offline marketing efforts, digital marketing allow getting accurate result in real time. For example, if you put an advertisement in the newspaper, it is nearly impossible to estimate how many people flipped through that page and paid attention to that ad. While with digital marketing, you can easily measure your ROI of any aspect of your marketing efforts according to Crux Creative Solutions Private Limited, one of the best online marketing agencies in Delhi NCR, is here to explain why digital marketing has become so important. Website traffic, as discussed above, it is very difficult to understand how people are engaging with your brand through offline marketing, while online marketing helps you in identifying trends and patterns about how people are behaving with your brand. You can make better strategies in the future to attract more and more consumers to the website. Not only can this with digital marketing, you get the exact number of people who have viewed your website's homepage in real time by using digital analytic software. These stats help you in deciding which digital strategies to continue and which to stop using. High visibility on search engines. Search engines optimization is another powerful digital marketing strategy that offers a variety of benefit to the business owner. As discussed, there is a tough competition between the brands in the market.